how to assemble the pigeon carousel. You have the motor here, and then you connect the arm on both sides. Tighten the screws. Then you have adjustable screw here. Then you adjust the height of the pigeons or the decoys. You have the decoys. You assemble the wing on the decoys. You attach the decoy on the arm and tighten the screw. Then they are fixed on the arm. Alternative, some of the accessories that are included in the package is fixing point for shot birds. Here you can fix a shot pigeon or crow. Fix the wings on the beak, and then you put this inside the pigeon, and then you tighten it again as the decoy on the arm. Alternative, and this accessory here is for fixing a shot pigeon, dove, crow. You fix it inside the shot bird. You break the arm on the, or the wing on the shot bird, because if you break it and you attach it on the elbow of the wing, then you have a flapper, so it'll give you more movements. Alternative to this one, where have you fixed the wings. So these are 3 different solutions you can attach to your pigeon carousel. Then you have to attach the wire, and you have the color connections. You have blue to blue. Then you have, again here on the controller, this is the controller which you can control manual. Then you have blue to blue and red to red. And on your battery and the battery's accessories, then you have to buy as an extra. But you attach the beak on red on plus and black on minus. Then you have your remote control. You put in the battery, and then you are ready to go. And last, you can adjust the height, how you want to have the crop, how it is, how high you want to have it. Then you adjust and tighten it by the screw on the side, then you're ready.